You have a point to get across. How do you get people to look up, to pay attention? Video! Everyone loves video. They lean in, they watch. It's dynamic, not static. It's got wow factor. People stop and take notice. You need video, but video is hard. It takes time and money to produce, and making changes once it's complete, forget it. We can help. With me, we can make the media that moves. You can captivate your audience without investing major resources. I work full-time at Fiverr.com, so I give a fast communication anytime from anywhere. My service includes everything you're looking for, from script writing and professional voiceover, high-quality engaging animations, unlimited number of revisions. Go beyond boring content, beyond distracted audiences in a way that's accessible, easy, affordable, and secure with me. We create awesome whiteboard animation that converts. It's exclusively on Fiverr.